Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Dinosaur Museum in Blanding is far larger and more comprehensive than you would expect from its remote location. From the moment you step inside, the scale of the collection becomes clear. This is not a small regional display. It is an extensive, carefully assembled presentation of prehistoric life, laid out with ambition and detail. The museum focuses on dinosaurs from the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods, with an emphasis on species discovered across the American Southwest. Full-size skeletal reconstructions dominate the space, many of them towering overhead. The size alone is confronting. Standing beneath these skeletons makes it immediately clear how small humans are by comparison. What sets this museum apart is the breadth of species on display. Rather than concentrating on a single era or a handful of well-known dinosaurs, the collection spans predators, herbivores, and transitional species. Each skeleton is positioned to show posture and movement, giving a sense of how these animals once occupied their environment. The displays are structured to guide you through the geological time. As you move from one section to the next, the changes in anatomy, scale, and behavior become easier to understand. You can see how dinosaurs evolved, adapted, and diversified over millions of years. The museum does not rush this story, it allows the progression to unfold naturally. Interpretive panels provide context without overwhelming the exhibits. Information focuses on what is known from fossil evidence: bone structure, diet, locomotion, and environment. The explanations are clear and grounded, making complete science accessible without simplifying it beyond recognition. One of the most striking aspects is how closely the museum connects the exhibit to the surrounding region. Many of the dinosaurs represented here were discovered in Utah and neighboring states. This grounds the experience geographically. The fossils are not abstract or distant, they are tied directly to the land outside the building. The collection also highlights the process of paleontology itself. Displays explain how fossils are discovered, excavated, and reconstructed. You gain insight into how fragments become full skeletons, and how scientific interpretation shapes what we see on display. This adds depth, showing that the museum is not just about spectacle, but about method. The sheer density of exhibits is unexpected. Room after room is filled with large-scale reconstructions, each given enough space to be appreciated properly. There is a sense that nothing has been held back. The museum does not feel curated to minimalism, instead it embraces abundance. Despite the scale, the layout remains easy to follow. Sightlines are clear, and the flow between exhibits feels deliberate. You are never rushed, and there is time to absorb the detail of each display before moving on. What makes the Dinosaur Museum in Blanding remarkable is the contrast between location and scope. In a small town, far from major cities, exists a collection that rivals much larger institutions. The ambition behind it is unmistakable. By the time you reach the final exhibits, the impression is lasting. This is not just a stop along the way. It is a serious, expansive exploration of prehistoric life, presented with confidence and care. The museum leaves you with a strong sense of scale, not only of dinosaurs themselves, but of the deep time they represent, stretching far beyond the modern landscape outside its doors.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.